We're now at our $30 million Blacktown Animal Rehoming Centre, or BARC, which is now in the latter stages of construction. This centre in Glendenning will revolutionise animal welfare in our city. The doors should be open later in the year. BARC will be the first custom-built rehoming centre in Australia, and it will replace Council's 40-year-old animal holding facility in Blacktown. This will be the jewel in the crown. Construction on the $100 million Blacktown Exercise, Sports and Technology Hub, or BEST, is now also well underway right here in the Blacktown International Sports Park. BEST will deliver world-class facilities, and it will take community health and sports innovation to a new level. These transformational projects are a source of much excitement in our city. I'm excited, I must tell you. I look forward to updating you further as they near completion.